how to do efficient storage cleaning in iPhone. So when we go to our settings, then let's say we want to have more storage by deleting apps or something. So we'll just go to general, then we go to iPhone storage, and you want to delete some apps or offload some apps so that you could have more space. So what we typically do is go to that particular app, then we either offload the app or delete app. So we do that one by one, which is pretty tiring and stuff. So what's more efficient is just by swiping from the right to the left of the app, and now you will see the options to offload or delete, which is faster. So like you could do that. You could also do it with other apps. Offload, delete, just swipe, and as you can see, it is much more faster than just tapping on that particular app and deleting or offloading it. And that's how you basically do an efficient storage cleaning in iPhone.